etwaso ebo mandatory training sessions ebo games mienu etwaso sania we will have a certain concern for pitch, you know. Maybe Pai say Rich Kotoko will play on Sunday, which probably will be the last game on the pressure pitch. How good will be the condition? You know? Because Kotoko will need a very, very good pitch pass so to also play Omu game now. Omu episode Omu Bonona. Oh, dear Cobra. Yes, Kabili phone.
Omu Memo.
Now, Omu Barom Kotoko pillow. Who's our pictures? No pillow. Omu Sunny in Nakutomo. Oh, Messiamo social media for Omu Fanto 20 years. Rich Omu Omu pillow Mubeda swing in Nakutomo. Said Inti. I say, so.
Yet from Promanso ahead of Omne JS Kabili game of China, Ebaso or the Accra Sausage, no sound buano at the saying.
Oh, no, to some extent, when you are very experienced, I think you know how to go about the game. You know the quality of players you have. But for us, yes, we are going to make it for the first time. So you should be able to do better to be able to get to where they are. Although we need they are very, very at the strong side. But then it's not going to scare us. We are going to make sure we also get a very good result in the Saturday's game. We had our first game in the GPL last week. Yeah, we won against Bichim, and that has set the tone for us to play JSK on Saturday. I think we are set. Yes, now we've also psyched the boys, and then I think they need to understand certain things in the competition.
Okay. And the coach from Paul Manso ahead of many JS Kabili game, no, and I say, or can cry. I mean, Obian him say, Go Stars team, no, I feel almost so called African experience in the news. JS Kabili no mundo omono African level, no, my bubu behind experience, no, our Saudo Mumi Nuna Airtunes and Yenia. In terms of experience, the ball competition, the JS Kabili for no will be. Omo Go Stars cry there. League, no, my ball first match, almost shared, but. Or did they say Nyama baby was cycling and mind channel ahead of Yamia Duma or China game now among any air cabida fono and so about my main faculty Diano and so Pracuna Femi Bamoa. Never be a person dear Chassis di Fribiano or de Ashe a dear Fiho. Coach Kaimzito and so that the Kotoko room Yamia Duma on Sunday against Kwara United of Air Nigeria. Now Kaimzito so ready for Air Kwara game no.
I would say it's good. We are fighting to put things together. Luckily, we are just from the preseason and we tested our energy against Brekum. And then we saw where we went right and then where we went wrong. So we are here to polish it before meeting Kwara United. So we are set. If I come out to tell you all what I knew about them, it means I'm exposing myself. I'm also making them see my preparation or my intention towards them. What I think they played 3 matches before or 4 matches before coming down here.
Okay, Kaimzito and so the no see after our ball Chelsea game ni no baby omo mistakes omo correct it. The omo ya ade so no omo be shemu kina se na be against Kwara no omo betimi abọ omo mode na baby so mu tie ni ya. Ambusan say na Kwara for no wa he omo ni mo na say na abesi approach no so approach ni do on person obeka because o kaso o kan ni na e ba sa Kwara for no so no omo don so but the onim ni say wa show omo at least omo bo games be 3-4 bia wa show omo and I go pamano so na be kire kwanya on ni team Kotoko so no be set up na omo e de a share team ye from say Kwara United of Nigeria ko bi e de tete won kakra nim say china na e benya time pa na ya discuss a game na ankasa so far preparation na yen 2 teams na ya omo de kobo Africa no oyo okay obi abo 1 game go start share ne de Samson Kotoko so ko Brekum ko share against Brekum Chelsea omo di share Kwara resu share JS Ekabiri.
I think when it comes to preparation I will not be able to put a finger on how much Kotoko have done and how much BBN have done. Especially in terms of the detailed part of the preparation, how many of the games of Kwara and Kotoko Ashe. almost prepares tactically for the team or even for themselves as well. And I think say one of the things that's important in competition be seeing the confidence level and the psyche. So Osho first game away now break a jinx that you've not broken for a very long time. It gives you good confidence to go into a game like this when you go out, when you're going to play in an African game, which is very positive. It's Kotoko Brekuma Koje 3 points on something that they had not done in a very, very long time, if not
15 years.
Yeah, 15 years. It was good for Kotoko because Emma Kotoko needed mental fortitude to go into the Kwara game. So you arch rivals Bakwa or any more in terms of region. Yeah, we are Jumana against them. Then it gives us that confidence to go and play them, which is good. The good thing, however, is that Kotoko Nigerian opposition, Kotoko good record against them. I think it's going to be about a third in the last few years. Or maybe we need all three. This is going to be the fourth. The three prior in Kotoko Ashe. So Kotoko in Nigeria for bad. They get results for the whether home or away. Kotoko are good at getting results against Nigerian opponents. And Rich, when you talk about Kwara, Kwara is not the big name of Nigerian football. And I'm see some Nigerian journalists.
I think that's what Fiifi is
Yeah.
Unse Kotoko against Nigerian styles, at home 3-1 against Rangers. Yeshe Wiki Torres, okay, Wiki Torres. 2008 Kotoko share 4-1, and then Ancia Dolphins, and also 2008. Rangers then was 2-4, and a 2008 where Wiki Torres and a Dolphins also 4-1. See, Kotoko record will fear against Nigerian sides or Africa. No, very very good.
See, I mean, I think that Kotoko are in a very good place for it. Their other important bit of it is a partner. So how Kotoko manages the game, and if the coach has prepared Waller, it's an opportunity. You see, so only West African side a bar. It is not too different. We know exactly how we play and how they play. A Nigerian side, they would be physical, they try to control the ball, but it's also about who game plan are they going. That's what I'm saying. Is some of the preparation it comes down to if they or how the coach has watched them and the preparation towards it. And now I'm going to go training with Accra. It was a good training. Big Joe Muniari, they said it was a very, very good training when they watched the Kotoko team train at Accra Sports Stadium. And that's among the confidence that they can play against Kwara and then beat them on Sunday. We'll see how it goes. For BBNE Gold Stars, I'm not too worried about JS Kabili coming here. North African side is a Bagana means so. Honestly, I'm not scared of them. And in 2 games, that's my problem. Now I'm show you what we'll do when we go away. JS Kabili near the top level North African side, or a North African side that can be beaten by us. And again, say only North Africans they ball that's all sure ma. At this time of the year, no. After no league, no say yeah, nothing start a league, no. League at this time, they wanted to change your calendar, no. Just so league number be share CAF Confederation is the CAF Champions League. So they are playing more league games now. And then that they are playing games. Tunisia, Algeria, all of them they are playing a lot of games, especially for the Egyptians. So they are trying to fuse it to get to this point where Omonomo already match fit. We are now getting into the season. So can we force a big win here? After the quite away a bit to me, especially in the case of BBNE Gold Stars. So there's an opportunity for Ghanaian teams to play well and then get a success.
You may say watch the time.
Sure.
Now we discuss
the game na nkasa nkomo na dey.
Mente huni. Kotoko every move against Kwara ebe mu. I'll be very very surprised if this Kwara team eyi Kotoko. Between BBNE Gold Stars and JS Kabili, BBNE are underdogs, but there is a way to approach a game as underdogs. Pressure news. Just like Fiifi said, North Africans, rich. The moment we omu feel.
Kwawe no nje dem omu game plan.
Omu ankasa kra will come away no assist omu nimbobo. Who show omu ochina. One way you conclude answer go for omu ni said dem bobo biasa.
Boba ko no ada form.
Bono kra bono tan. Oh, he just playing to frustrate you. Quality no. If you watch the side of Omubo will feel because but Rich, you will be surprised this same team in 15 minutes in Algeria can score you 4. Until they will come and play Sabono. how baby any will approach the game. Tell me, say, Ochinano, we will discuss. Rich, there are sometimes being an underdog is good. Ujitum, say other form is good. Kotoko, also Kotoko to be Kwara home and away. They are not a good team. I won't move now. The only thing I say, you're in Nigeria for now. Rich, we have too much of rivalry. I mean, no mushia whether at club level and not acquire game. But Rich, pedigree, quality. Bibia Kotoko broke one for so. Bibia me tie be 2 weeks ago, Rich, and I'm a catcher me who say, and whenever I have this feeling, it has always been positive. Rich, I think Kotoko will even play better in Nigeria against Kwara than Omabo of here. Kotoko will play better, far better game. Kotoko will do much. I don't go for one the kind of boy Kotoko go away and put in fee.
Kotoko Komoni Dio.
Yes.
Omuko that game come a carry go no bono having them say Togo baby.
Yes,
so go share 1-0. Obi so akwacha 1-0 away there.
If you know we
cardio go be penalty
or be free penalty.
You na penalty score go free.
Me say that is why I'm saying say me giri say Kotoko Kwara. Kotoko will play their best game against Kwara in Nigeria. And if they are able to do well in Accra, they are gone.
Okay.
They are gone. Rich, Africa. Midi Kwame Peprechi Kakrano. I was following him when on a Pirates Elba African. And him who say, apart from Utima War, a Numan Kitchen Kitibi, Rich, preparation, planning, and Sika. And who was Sikana now to me preparation and planning ye? Momona Hotel Papa. Momon Shani my papa. And the GDM Crabber players him said they are good enough. Rich, Orlando Paris team and somebody about Champions League. And your team Papa Biao. But Rich, Usha Adidas Kate. Uko Utukwaya Oda 5-star hotel. Ukon them enough. And no maybe a professional football be or medical team solid, official solid. And mom some confidence be say unborn bopa. That is why the North Africans in the BTN. Almost scared to the extent say they are well prepared.
On the charter flight, beba.
What you say?
Obano
cargo. Yes, Obiani plain cargo nichwa. Oyini nene drinks and so obenom bibia. You hear more proper medical checkup. Oh, like ASano mano. And to plan this pack in this one. Oh, confidence chill. Boy, you the confidence never. I no man kissing kitibi. Before you get there, you must be consistent. Oko no out of form, no out of form. No one say adio next time because say me koni yes sir. The only thing I could tell Ghanaian clubs is say we've not had one Ghanaian club. Forget about your league standard near there or you're consistent to Africa. Saka debi oko, yeah, you know, no oko nim kakra no film, oko. And by this time, and we will not measure that team with Ghanaian football standards. Kotoko has to build that. Rich Oko Tanzania, and you league people be on more younger money, some they are the leaders. O macho makani mukra.
Ala class women
you see,
say in France, Kotoko Nigeria, no the charter flight.
Yes.
Oko JBA 5-star hotel. Proper medical team.
Yes. Players now go swimming. Just say yes. They are giving you proper. Rich, a team that has over 5 million supporters. And your supporters in this kind.
Supporters are stadium. And me know na tie. Yenim say yen krom high, yen clubs no. Omuni na survival gate process.
You see,
supporters is on stadium. How do you get the money?
Ochina obi o any time. Ochina be ni.
A team like Gold Stars Empire me bon say. Ochina for instance. Omu inexperience in ko show bebre. No more chances no benya at least. Omu shadow do na because North Africans like you said, I'm by almost an amount of baby.
You don't say it, I don't say.
Oh, because I don't go for me. Ha. Babako or Jerry and no metro Samasa. Born in Bochum.
You see,
it's me boom pass or China, for instance.
The history of Sub-Sahara, South Africa, East Africa. Club will be at Timakoyade or North Africa. First of all, the moment you get there and you are not intimidated, I'm fans of mass of flesh. Who will be put up?
Parking is
yeah, Bobo, and you maybe, and then you men are a dim, and almost so some Kenyan Jabi, and almost the brain, almost him. So, who settle without that environment now? You play your game, but Rich, how do you do it? It takes experience. What will be that? Yeah, question board.
You're consistent.
That is the problem.
They follow your own call.
Before Haas did it, they were consistent. Of course, to former. After I'm coming, come say, oh, last year, I say, Avi, so we need to be there consistently. And sanity me about this idea. And not say my money young amo. Economy to form. Say so we could be more so no. Mamelodi Sundowns and the Paris. We come on so be because they face it. Economy to form. So I know about no co. Bona. One day he will know this is your trick. And we need to get there.
Okay.
We need to get there.
All right. Just for infantry, Rana. Yametro some farmer. But before Ayala be try, no. On the corporate games in Ebaso.
Yes.
The Lab FM corporate games,